Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Vitamins and wrinkles. The idea is to get older without looking older. We sure don't want to not get older, but we don't want the accompanying wrinkles either. There are just the sensible lifestyle choices that we can make that will help to prevent our skin from wrinkling prematurely, like not smoking, not drinking alcohol, wearing protective clothing, wearing sunglasses and using a sun block with a SPF of 15 or better. Most dermatologists recommend a diet that is high in whole grains, fruit and vegetables for preventing or at least prolonging wrinkles in the skin. There are some vitamins that will also help to keep our faces looking younger than our years, as well. You should take a good multivitamin every day and additionally take vitamin C. If you really want to have beautiful unlined and unwrinkled skin well into your later adult years, you should be certain that you get at least 500 mg of vitamin C every day. This is not a guarantee of youthful-looking skin, but it will certainly help. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant. It is also the stuff that develops connective tissue. It is one of the things that aids in the formation of collagen. Collagen. You have most likely seen that touted as an ingredient in skin creams. The bad news is that collagen is manufactured inside the body, and applying it to the outside of the body will have no effect. Vitamin E. Vitamin E makes vitamins A and C more easily absorbed. It also provides natural protection from ultraviolet rays. Selenium. Selenium is a trace mineral but an essential one for maintaining healthy and unwrinkled skin. It consumes free radicals caused by sun damage. Vitamins A and D are also essential for maintaining healthy skin, but you will get enough of both in your multivitamin plus from food that you eat. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, leave a comment and share with your friends. We thank you so much for watching. For more nutrition, health and beauty tips, please subscribe to our channel.